Yeah.
And you can't see until you look at it later.
You look at it, that's right. Happy Halloween, everybody. I'm Disco Dan, and this is my best friend Larrbear. Would you please explain to me and everybody what this abomination is here?
Absolutely. What we have here is a banana that has been bisected. And inside the bifurcation is a pool of peanut butter with little chocolate morsels stabbed into it, right into the middle of the guts. And then, let's see, and then there's this pastry dough thing just on top like a blanket in little sections, like a croissant. And then there's honey on that, which is caramelized, I guess.
Yeah, it makes it look like it's got a 5 cheese blend on it.
Yep, and it's leaked everywhere.
I couldn't get it off the foil, so it's got a little tail here. Like crystallized chocolate. Yeah. Well, dig in. Smells like Thanksgiving to me.
Yeah, you can't get it off the foil.
Nah, I like stuck, man.
I want to try.
There you go. Nice little bits of aluminium. Delicious. Yeah, you see? It's like where the honey was. It just absolutely, yeah.
Awesome.
Right? It's extra. Damn, dude. It's like actual bread stuck to that. Wow. Alright, I'm just gonna get a little hump here. Oh my god.
Alright, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Monsieur. This is my little dessert for the night. Probably gonna eat some taquitos after.
I'm not eating all this before bed.
Eat all that?
No. It's like 1 a.m. It actually tastes a lot better than it looks, like most of the things you make.
Yep. Who cares about presentation?
Exactly.
Just throw the ingredients together. In a way where every bite has something.
So yeah, if you want to make a little banana croissant bowl, little boat thing here, it's simple. You just split the banana and you put in the peanut butter and you put in the chocolate chips and you cover it in this dough and you put it in the oven and magic happens. Yeah, we put it in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes, 35 minutes maybe, so.
Yep, right next to a pot pie.
Next to a beautiful chicken pot pie. I said I wasn't gonna eat all this, but I almost ate all of it. That was really good though. I was trying to get some of that chocolate. You come up with the craziest things, but they end up being pretty good. What did you make for Halloween this year? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Disco Dan. Peace.
See ya.